You're the moon that glows in the sky,
Let's go, Luna! Let's go!
lighting up the world when it's blue.
Siguro magical. Sabihin ko magical. Very magical.
Don't you know they dance just for you?
Sarap mga tanga! Charing! Yak! Tana! Hindi na itong biyak nag-good.
There you are, above
Hi,
dark
Zai!
clouds, smiling at the
Tawa pa
world
kayo!
from afar.
Maria Rumi.
Where the stars you wander around,
Congratulations!
Ito yung partner ko eh.
Hello po. Just another boy singing songs that others have sung.
This is it na, the big day. Past is past. Kahit history teacher ako.
Ako sa ilong ko.
Oh, you got me in a daze, yeah. No, it's not another phase. You gave me one look and now I can't get my mind off you. And it's all because I see
Han, ni, Papoy, Papoy loves, Papa, my star love. When I asked the sign to the Lord, I was not thinking of you. I tried not to put your face on the man I was imagining beside me, looking up and appreciating the beauty of the sky. But truly, mas alam ng Diyos ang totoong nasa puso ko. It was also that still small voice that whispered within me, kausapin mo. I could still remember that very moment I heard it. I guess the Lord really knew that you are my heart's desire.
Ako na yung forever.
here you are. I waited so long, hoping you would sit down and stay.
super fancy.
Cause with these stars I've been dancing along like a fool, so you look no way.
Ganda ko!
I see the galaxies and I look
Legal ka na, be! I-re-registro na kita. Yung
can't speak it all.
Zai, mahal kita. Ito ang unang salita na aking binanggit bago maging tayo. Ito rin ang una kong pangako sa'yo. Mahal kita, mamahalin kita, at hindi lang salita.
Red lighting, could you please be mine? Oh, could you please be mine? Oh, my.
Napatunayan ko naman kung gaano sila kamahal, kung ano yung pagmamahal nilang dalawa for, ano ba, tikantin, for poor or richer, yan, sila pa rin.
17. So kung nagtsugtsugan kagad kami na may 18 years old na kami. Yeah, more than half. Sige, best. Yung pagmamahal niya talaga. All throughout the years. Feeling ko kasi naging, di ba, from 12 years old to 30 years old. Yun, iba-ibang tao yan, pero minahal niya lahat yun.
Minsan ko nang sinabi sa'yo, nasa 17 years na yon, para din ako nagjowa ng iba't iba. Iba yung Zaira nung high school. Makulit, maingay, magaling sa ACADS. Iba rin yung Zaira nung tayo college. At lalong iba nung nagkasama na tayo.
Ako, super happy ako dahil ikakasal. Lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, maswerte ka sa mapapangasawa mo kasi naunawaan ka, spoiled ka, pero mas maswerte siya kasi manager ka. Wow, bakit ganun lang? Bakit posisyon ko, hindi yung traits ko? Excite? Ito na yun!
I love you.
kung yung ibang tao, kinailangan pa nilang makamit ng iba't ibang tao para lang mahanap yung taong magmamahal sa kanila. Ako, lo! Ako maaga pa lang. Nahanap ko na siya. Sobrang thankful ako nun kay Lord. Plus knowing na maagang nawala yung tatay ko. Alam mo yun, siguro ako talaga sabi ko, ito yung way ni Lord na, anak, mawalan ka kagad ng tatay. Ay! Pero bibigay ko na kagad sa iyo yung tao magmamahal sa iyo. Yun.
Answer our prayers sa Lord sa mo ang aming puso. Magalang pagkakal.
Sama mo kung magbibigay tayo ng gift sa kanila. Dito tayo mag-gifts.
Love is kind.
Tama ka doon, pre.
Love is the hardest thing to find, 'cause
Ewan ko rin sa'yo. Sa tingin ko nga di naman ako super pretty face noon. Pero bakit patay na patay ka sa akin? Siguro nga pretty face ako. Pero totoo, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin mula noon at sa maraming taong nagdaan, sa maraming faces at version ng pagkatao ko na na-witness mo at sa patuloy mo pang mararanasan. Salamat.
I'll show you what I'll do, what I would say, the lengths I'll go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone.
Hindi ganun kadali ang pag-aasawa, no? The old saying na lagi pong binabanggit sa atin na ang pag-aasawa ay hindi katulad ng mainit na kanin na kapag sinubo mo at napaso ka, iluluwa mo. Ito ay hindi ganun kadali. But you know what? If you understand both the fear of the Lord, you will be able to live and to have a marriage life na very wonderful and meaningful.
To the edge, a brown to the brushstrokes on burgundy canvas. No one like you got.
Marami pang magbabago at masaya ako na ikaw ang makakasama ko. Pangako kong aalamin kung paano mo gustong mahalin. Pangako kong maging masaya ka. Pangako kong ikaw lang.
You made it my life. I'll show you what I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone who cares.
Ang ganda mo, Papa. Sabi ko, hindi ako iyak eh. Hindi tayo iyak eh.
Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you.
I've read somewhere that our brain continues to function for 7 minutes after death. I am sure that you will be 100% of my 7 minutes. I love you and I'm excited to keep doing life with you. Elvin Sperrer, my mister.
At kung paanong ang unang letra ng pangalan mo ay huling letra ng alpabeto, masaya ako at ikaw ang una't huling babaeng minahal at mamahalin ko.